America strong in the Boston Marathon, and at the starting line today, a runner returning. The first woman to run the race 50 years ago, though she hit it then. Here's Lindsay Davis.
This morning, Kathrine Switzer was one of the more than 13,000 women running the Boston Marathon.
Hi, everybody. It's Kathrine Switzer.
50 years ago, she was the only one. Back in 1967, the Boston Marathon was an all-male race. Women were considered too fragile to run the distance. This Syracuse co-ed secretly registered as KV Switzer to hide her gender, taking the course in a sea of men until the marathon director was alerted about a woman in the race.
And I turned, and he grabbed me. He screamed at me, "Get the hell out of my race."
Her boyfriend then pushed that race director off the road.
I realized if I quit that race, nobody would believe women deserved to be there or that they could do the distance.
And that she did, finishing in 4 hours and 20 minutes. This afternoon, surrounded by members of 261 Fearless, the running club she created to empower women, she crossed the finish line again. And while they retired her bib number tonight, she has no plans of doing the same. Lindsay Davis, ABC News, Boston.
Great to see Kathrine back. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you right back here tomorrow. Good night.